Good to be back. I'm fishing for the first time here today on a brand new creek. Fishing for the first time in several months, actually, five months, I think, and also a several month-long break in making videos and recording and publishing videos, and so it's fun to be back filming. It's fun to be back fishing. I'm excited. I'm in Wyoming. I'm fishing a new creek here. I believe there are native cutthroat in this creek. And I think there are Colorado River cutthroat trout in this drainage, so I'm looking forward to that. I have a lot of things to fill you guys in on, but let's just start fishing and I'll talk to you guys as I try to catch some fish here. I've got several new rods that I've collected to fish with and to show you guys. I have a bunch of new gear, but today I'm fishing with kind of an old standby. We're gonna start off pretty easy here as I start to make videos again. This is the Zen Tenkara Suzume. This is probably my favorite small stream rod, all around small stream rod. Great little rod. And I have a 7-foot line on here, 7-foot level line, and I'll show you guys a picture of the fly. It's a I think this is partridge and peacock herl with a red thread head. The water here is off color a little bit, but it's not too high. I mean, it seems, is that a fish? No, that's not a fish. Seems fishable. It's just a little bit brown. So that's not a big deal at all. This year, it's going to be a little bit hard to find small creeks to fish this early in the season because we had a lot of snowpack this winter. And so runoff is going to last, you know, well into July. Who knows, maybe even August for some of the places I normally fish. So bear with me here as we get back into fishing. I took a break for a number of reasons. Took a break from filming and from fishing for a number of reasons. I was having some knee pain, and that's not entirely gone, but I think it's manageable going forward here, at least maybe for the short term. And then we bought 2 houses last year, and they need a lot of work. They're old houses, and so I've been working on lots of wall and ceiling repair. And then my wife just graduated from college, and so I wanted to spend more time with her. And so a lot of things just kind of came to a head, and I decided to take a break from fishing and from filming my fishing adventures. Going forward, my plan is to have fishing videos every other week. For the last several years, I've done weekly videos every Saturday. I think from here on out, we're gonna be doing every other Saturday. I think that's just a much more sustainable goal here. So, you know, I know that's kind of a bummer, but I think that's what we have to do at this point. Man, where are the fish in here? I'm passing some pretty good spots. Some nice slow eddies, some good calm pools, good shade, good shelter. Haven't seen any fish. And then some of you might know that my wife and I have been running a website called flytyingyarn.com for a while, a few years now. And we have decided to shut it down permanently because I'm not all that excited about it anymore. And it distracts from more profitable endeavors for me. And so we're probably going to end up selling that unused inventory, all the extra yarn, on eBay or Etsy or something like that. If you are interested in buying the domain name, let me know. Make me an offer. Maybe we can work something out. Otherwise, I'm just going to shut it down and probably eventually redirect it to the Tenkara Addict website. If you couldn't tell, I'm wanting to sort of simplify things in my life here a little bit, and so that involves making some changes that aren't ideal, but are necessary at this point in our lives. This looks perfect over here. It's a big, deep, slow eddy. in the shade. No fish though. Oh, I just saw a fish. I saw a dark shadow move rapidly away from me. I've been fishing for 40 minutes. And that was the first fish I've seen. Oh! Fish on! Good sized fish! Yes! Woo! Okay, that is a cutthroat. Wow, okay, it took me a little over 45 minutes. And that is a beautiful Colorado River cutthroat trout, a native fish to these parts. Pretty good size. That's like 9 or 10 inches long. Surprisingly good. He's not looking super great. He has some like sort of grayish bald patches, what look like bald spots on him. Still a pretty fish though. See ya, buddy. Oh, what a relief. There are in fact fish in this creek. Hallelujah. Seen one, caught one. Hopefully we can catch some more here. Let's keep fishing. Fish on. Fish number 2. Oh, come on. Yes. Yes. Another beautiful cutthroat. See ya, buddy. Beautiful fish. All right. It's been a long time. Every fish here is a little bit of a struggle, but we're making some progress. Oh, fish on. Oh, I was adjusting my footing here and I felt a tug on the line and I just wasn't paying attention. Oh, had a little bit of a nibble there. I scared a couple of fish in this section. I was hoping that I could catch some unawares over here. There we go. Got him. It's another cutthroat. I'm pretty sure that's all that's in this creek. It's all cutthroat. Beautiful. See ya, buddy. Oh. Nice fish. Another nice one. In this little creek. I mean, look how small the creek has become. I'm above a lot of those you know, those ponds and those little dams, and the stream is just, I mean, 2 or 3 feet wide through here. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Nicest one yet, I think. Super pretty. Got one. Yes. Beautiful spots on this guy. See ya, buddy. Oh. Got one. Again, I saw that guy come out from hiding. He was kind of under the log there. Darted out, went back, but I got him. Nice fish in this creek. You know, pretty good size given how small this creek is. I mean, right here, it's 1.5 or 2 feet wide. There we go. I've been kind of just blindly casting out into this large pool here. I saw one fish cruising, couldn't get it to bite. But this one did. The fly was pretty deep in the water. There we go. Beauty. See you, buddy. Let's see if we can catch one more fish, guys. Got one. Come on. Got him. All right, let's end the adventure here. Beautiful little cutthroat trout. See ya, buddy. Oh, what a great day. I think that'll do it, guys. Had a great time today. Feels really good to be back in the fishing saddle. Feels good to be catching fish here. Native fish, beautiful fish. I fished for about 3 hours and 15 minutes, and that equated to about 1.7 miles of distance along the stream here. And I kind of lost track of how many fish I caught. It was like 6 or 7 or 8. I don't know. I'll put the number on the screen here. I'll count them up as I edit the video. But again, it feels really good to be back fishing, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video too. Bear with me here as I get back into the habit of making the videos. I'm a little bit rusty maybe, but I've got lots of awesome stuff planned as far as gear goes. Lots of great content as far as locations go. I'm gonna fish a lot of new creeks this year, and I'm super excited, and I hope you guys are too. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.